Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your website to your Kofi account. So once you're inside Kofi, guys, simply go ahead and click settings on the left hand side. And here you want to scroll down under your profile to where you have the website section. So here you can go ahead and you can type whatever. So I'm going to say www dot, for example, test.com, and that's it. Once you go ahead and, for example, click anywhere else, you will see that it's updated and it's saved. And that's how you go ahead and add your website on your Kofi account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now when you go back to your profile or your home page and you go to there to your under your about section, you will have the about section show your website, and you can always go ahead and click on that. No, I don't know if there's something called test.com, but I'm gonna click there, and as you can see, if I click there, it will take me over to some page, right? And that's it. So that's how to go ahead and add your website to your Kofi account.